I receive the living God from the holy word of the Holy Ghost. She instruct me to construct again the holy cross to end the agony of those already been distracted. She stressed on me to remember always Jesus Christ martyrdom. She became flesh to cleanse our souls. He died to erase all infirmities. Both teach the way that will help us to live rightly. Let us see to gaze the greatness of God. Let us hear to listen the goodness of God. Let us walk for a living peace of God to be saved because judgment day is just an inch away.